Harap ka ng 100% work from home opportunity, tapos nasa dental field ka, tapos marunong ka mag-admin, tapos may HMO, may insurance, at the same time, mga AM shift, kasi Australian clients ito. Manood ka lang kasi ito na, ang VA agency baka na para sa'yo. Let's go. Hey guys, it's Jam once again and welcome back to Barangay VA University. And alam niyo na yan, Mi, iba ang setup. Ibig sabihin, tayo mag-review na naman ang website ng isang VA agency. Ang VA agency na ito ay sinasabing AM shift for dental field or admins na may HMO and many more. Baka ang agency na ito ay para na sa'yo. Pero bago natin kilalanin, kung hindi ka pa parte ng Barangay VA Committee, go ahead and click that link below sa description box para ma-access mo ng ating free VA course mo. Kuha mo lang kapag nag-join ka ng Barangay VA University. I mean community. At syempre, mas magiging maganda journey mo kung subscribe mo to. Ano to, walang subscribe? Sure! Huwag na natin patagalin pa, let's go! Okay, ang pangalan ng ating VA agency for today ay Clear Admin People. Okay? So, right off the bat, one look, guys, no, makita mo talagang nasa dental care, talaga sila or nasa dental industry. All right? So, ayan po siya, no? So, ito po ang kanilang website. Ayan, back. Now, let's see their about. So, like, ayan, no, help Australian businesses. Confirm, guys, pag Australian businesses, guys, pang umaga-laga plus operational siya. So literal, no? Australian operations, AM to PM, ibig sabihin pang umaga ka talaga magsisimula. And sabi dito, admin people, so maybe you're gonna do a lot of admin tasks, no? For our clients, or not our clients, for their clients. Ayan, no? Sabi dito, working with the best, so partnering with Clear means accessing the best people, industry experts who never settle for second best. So sa term na best people, tapos industry experts, dito pa lang malalaman mo na hinaharap nila ay experience already or maybe BPO people. Let's see. Pero wala naman kasi nakalagay na qualifications yet. I am gonna check there. Ayan. Job openings. Ayan, okay. All right. So, etong mga openings nila. Team leader, customer service or pooling, appointment setters or lead activations. So ito yung mga lead generation. Ayan. Senior tax accountant, personal assistant for pooling. I'd say different ang mga roles pero same industry which is dental. Pero may nakalagay dito other industries. Baka may mga onting mga clients from other industries but yung main focus nila ay dental industry. So let's check this. Appointment setters, no? Appointment setters. Read more. Perfect. Ayan. Okay. Okay, ito pala. Andito yung mga ano guys, yung mga roles. Ayan. So provide fast response, ensure leads contact within 5 minutes, qualify leads at appointments, manage pipeline. Ito yung mga daily tasks. Ito yung mga required attributes. Ito pinaka-experience. So makita to, essential experience. At least 1 year call handling experience. So like, I feel like ito ay, ayan, BPO, pwede dito yung mga may sales sa BPO na may call handling, na outbound call handling. Ayan, no? Proficient with MS Office applications, experience or knowledge using any CRM tool. Ayan, highly advantageous. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi required pero mas may edge ka kapag ka may experience ka in hiring Australian clients, clear spoken English and a neutral accent, a fit to work medical certificate for basic 5 and drug test results within the past 3 months. Interesting. They're looking for a valid NBI clearance too. Okay. An active BPI account for payroll. Ayan, may specific mga requirements sila. Ready references, at least 3 from their recent employers. Okay. For background check or employment verification purposes. Okay. Okay. So, ayan, ito ata yung kanilang benefits. Clear Admin People provides great Filipino talent with the opportunity to grow their careers. Our world-class staff, we call them six pool players, work remotely with our Australia-based clients. Our staff are led and supported by our outstanding leadership team. Clear works to provide the right environment for six tool players to excel with an ecosystem that supports our team's success. So dito, a great work from home setup with the right IT to help you succeed. Oh, okay. So may IT team kayo. May sales commission for the specific role. May sales commission and performance-based bonuses. Support from outstanding leadership group and team structure positioning you for success. So like I'm looking at parang a structure with wherein group of VAs kayo tapos meron kayong sariling team leader or something. Membership of the Clear 6 Tool Player Playground or unique development and engage. So may training ano kayo, training hub siguro kayo sa loob. HMO coverage with free dependents. Group term life insurance coverage, paid vacation leave and sick leave for regular employees, healthcare subsidy, monthly electricity and internet subsidies, monthly incentive for perfect attendance. Wow. So may attendance tracker. Ayan. Employee referral incentive. We provide all mandatory government contributions in addition to the above. Wow. So, taray. So, supported nila yung ano guys, yung mga government contributions. So, I don't know, is this like a Philippine entity? I'm not sure. Looks like kasi it ano provides mandatory government contributions eh. Ayan, so you have here a quick application form. Pero sabi dito, apply now by clicking this link. Walang nakalagay dito guys kung magkano per hour or magkano per month. I don't know if it's disclosed. Bakit hindi siya disclosed? Pero let's see how the application form look like. So this is like a pre-qualifying quiz. How many handling, ayan, do you have in BPO setting? I'm a fresh graduate. How many years did you work with your last two employers? More than 2 years. How long did you work? How long did you work or have? Pressure by time limit, dai. More than a year. When can you start? ASAP. What's your monthly expected salary in the Philippines? 45 and above. May pre-qualifying po siya na eh. Do you have an existing postpaid internet provider? Yes. Are you willing to undergo background check? Yes. Do you have any experience, any CRM tools or platform? Yes. Parang Philippine entity to guys, yung mga tanong. How many years of work experience do you have in sales? 3 years and up. How many years of work experience do you have as an appointment setter? 1 year and up. How many years of work experience do you have handling an Australian clients? Parang minute to die. 1 year and up. And then you attach your resume. Hala, guys. Kung pinapanood to ni Clear, sorry. Mock lang to. Mock application lang to. So, just for the video purpose, kailangan naka-PDF me. I agree. Submit. Let's see what happens upon submitting. You have not met the criteria. So dito pa lang pre-qualifying quiz pa lang. So feeling ko, kung na-meet ko, just in case, kunwari, ang next nun is parang they'll reach out to you, stuff like that. Ayan. So, ayun. Nakaka-pressure guys, no? Parang 5 minutes to accomplish everything. Pero, that's how it is, guys. So, tinesting ko lang naman yan. So, yan si Clear. I have no idea kung kung ano siya, kung how much ang rate nila. It doesn't say in the in the website, but let's see kung sino ang team nila. Ano to? Okay. Ito yung mga characteristics: adult, professional, smart, empathetic, competitive and thirst for learning. Ito yung management team. So, si Rob ang managing director. Okay, and then, ayan na, mga Pinoy. OM is Francis, BDR is Adrian, HRM is Kate, Shane is the service delivery manager. So this is like finance. Ayan pala. MJ is this another service delivery manager. Another one is Jelly. So ito, very lean team lang siya, guys. And I don't know how new this agency is, but so far, magandang benefits pang umaga. Yun nga lang, may mga specific requirements sa feeling ko pang Philippine entity, I'm not sure. Okay? I'm not also sure with the systems and all, kung ano yung mga systems requirements and all. So, it's not even here. I'm not sure with the rate as well. So, yeah. But anyways, mga me, that is clear. Admin people, again, Australian, pang umaga, no? May HMO, may insurance, may paid leave, government benefits, yung mga ganyan. Looks like a Philippine entity, pero overall, looks nice naman. Feeling ko, laban talaga to sa mga gusto ng mga AM shift. Ayan. So, gulat lang ako na may mga parang medical stuff and all. It's giving talagang Philippine entity. But that's okay. It's not a bad thing. But at least another option for you guys sa mga naghahanap ng AM shift tapos good benefits. That's it for me for today. Maraming salamat mga beshi. And I'll see you guys again on the next video. Comment below kung ano yung mga iba pang V agencies na review ko. Bye!